Edye Beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edye, we'll be making fig jam cake with buttermilk glaze. It sounds so delicious. It's inspired by my most recent trip to Turkey this past summer. The recipe and the links to the products you see us using here will be in the description below. I'll also include my own recipe for fig preserves. Please join our Facebook group, OMNIA Stovetop Oven Fans. And if you don't already know, we do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edye, available on Amazon, link below. Do us a quick favor, smooshie the like button, hit the notification bell. Please subscribe to the Little House of Beans. I'm ready to make this delicious fig jam cake with buttermilk glaze. Let's get going. So I'm adding the fig preserve that I made from scratch. The recipe will be in the description below. And you do not have to use homemade fig jam. You are more than welcome to use store-bought.
Oh, baby, I loved you just the way that you are. You must do the same or you're not in it. 내 자체로 만족한다는 듯이 Get up on it and do. Get up on it and do. My channel's thriving on it. Don't seize the online. Get a little bit of my yeah. Get a little bit of my ooh. I'm shining without you. So bright, baby, so bright. Focus on me. Focus on me. Focus on me. Focus on me. All thanks to you. 널 가져